So the question is, a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 35 pice per centimeter square. Rupees 0.35 is equal to 35 pice per centimeter square. And it is clearly given that root 3 equal to 1.7. So it's a round table cover and it has 6 equal designs. Okay. And the radius of the cover from the center, the radius till this means the length of this line is given as 28 centimeter. Radius is given as 28 centimeter. We have to find the cost of making the design. To find the cost of making the design, before finding it, we have to know the area of the design, isn't it? And each designs are of equal areas. That means we just need to find area of one design, multiply it with the 6. That will give you the area of the design. And it is given that for per centimeter square, the cost is 0.35. So after finding the area, just multiply it with 0.35 to get the cost of the total design. So what about the design? If I am joining the center with these 2 points, and I am naming it as OAB, and here let it be P. What is OAB? It's a triangle, isn't it? What is OAPB? It's a sector. And what will be the shaded region? It's a segment. So what we have to calculate is area of one segment. And there are 6 equal shapes or 6 equal designs. So we have to calculate area of 6 segments and multiply that area with the 0.35. So to find the area of one segment, what's the formula? Area of sector minus area of triangle. So we will calculate area of one segment. Area of one segment is equal to area of sector, that is theta divided by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle, that is half r square sine theta. That's equal to R is the radius. Radius is given as 28 centimeter. What about the radius? Into how many it is divided? If I join this is a 1, 2, 3, isn't it? And if I join here, it is 4. And if I join here, it is 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The full circle is divided into 6 equal regions. The full angle 360 is divided into 6 equal regions. That means one angle will be 360 divided by 6, which gives you the value 60 degree. Okay. So instead of theta, we can substitute the value 60 by 360 into pi. It is not mentioned here. So we can take it as 22 by 7 into r. Radius is given as 28. 28 square will be 28 into 28 minus half into again r square, that is 28 into 28 into sine 60. Okay, so what is common? 28 into 28 is common for both the terms. Again, if needed, 0 can be cancelled. This can be cancelled 6 times. Again, from here, we can take 2 as common. So 28 into 28 by 2. I am taking it outside. The balance is here, it is 22 divided by, from 6 I took it 2 outside. So the balance is 3 into 7. Okay, minus half into, half came outside. So 28 into 28 also came outside, sine 60. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So that is equal to, this 28 can be cancelled. So outside the value is 14 into 28 into 22 divided by 21 minus root 3. The value is given as 1.7. 1.7 divided by 2. So that 14 into 28, if I take the LCM, what will I get? 2 into 22 is 44 minus 35.7 divided by 21 into 2. Okay, this 21 and 14 can be cancelled. This 2 times 7, this is 3 times 7. So we can subtract 44 and 35 minus 7. Divide it with the 6. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Divide it with the 3. Multiply it with the 28. And the final answer we are getting in the simplified form as 77.46 centimeter square. Okay, so the area of full design is equal. 6 designs is equal to 6 into area of one design, isn't it? So 6 into 77.46. That gives you the value 464.76 centimeter square. The question is to find cost of the design. Cost of the design will be equal to area into rate per centimeter square. That is 77.46 into 0.35 into 6, which gives you the value 162.66 rupees. So the value which we have to pay for the design, all the 6 designers, 162.66 rupees.